The new interface of Docs, Sheets and Slides has a new set of buttons along the top of the screen, the first of which shows any recent changes made to the document. The second shows the comment history. And the third is the Google Meet button that lets you join or schedule a meeting without leaving the document. The Share button offers all of the same functionality as before, and the top part of the document can be hidden if you want more space for your content. If you're looking for the Document Activity button, this has been removed, but the option can be found in the Tools menu. Remember, this shows everyone that you've shared the document with and when each person last viewed your file, and can also show your share history. As before, you can show and hide screen elements through the View menu. Comments appear slightly different in the document too. Displaying in a different shade to show that they're not part of the document itself. As before, you can use the ellipses to manage a comment. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris to find out more about Google Workspace.